Horses out, we have Rose and Margarita. Fast to begin, down on the inside, Salinas, Royal Pair, moving up, so it's you, then Palaway and Getty, Yellow Benyan Queen, Grey Magic, Stormy Norman, Viva Bola, second last, and GI Speedball is the early trailer. We have Salinas, moving up party out, so now is, oh, it's you. So, it's you now takes the lead by Avalalenka. Salinas draws back in second and in third. Rose and Margarita, Stormy Norman in fourth. Alongside Pip, Elebenyan Queen, Grey Magic, Royal Pair. Then followed over by Elebenyan Queen, Viva Bola, and GI Speedball. Back to the leader. We have So It's You by about 5 lengths. Salinas still in second. Rose and Margarita, Stormy Norman, and Getty also moving up in Pip. Grey Magic comes next, and it's still So It's You by about 4 lengths. Stormy Norman in second, and in third Salinas, Rose and Margarita, then comes Getty, Grey Magic, and as they come down to the last 150, and it's still So It's You by about 3 lengths. Rose and Margarita now in second, and in third Stormy Norman, Grey Magic, but it's still So It's You, followed by Rose and Margarita in second, Grey Magic and Getty. So It's You moving up body outside Benyan Queen, Grey Magic, and finally So It's You, Grey Magic. Then comes Benyan Queen, Viva Bola, and Getty.
Alright, Bayang Karirisa, nakita natin yung pagkaka-upset ng far second choice na si So It's You doon sa yamadong si Frozen Margarita, at iyan po ang katatapos lang na AKH Construction Jockey Cup. Ito pong race na ito ay pinlano po ng Manila Horsepower Organization para sa ating mga hinete, kung saan po yung winning rider will receive 10,000 pesos on top of a trophy at yung the usual mountain bike para sa winning groom. Pakilala ko lang po muna sa inyo, Bayang Karirisa, yung ating mga bisita dito representing the AKH Construction, si Captain Vic Lobrio, Mr. Ronald Ramos, Barangay Captain Mon Espeña, Kagawad Richard Sakilayan, Kagawad Hil Guillermo, Kagawad Egay Tripoli, and Kapitan Captain Yoyoy Cruz, at saka si Kagawad Jojo Salvador. Lahat po yan ay galing sa siyudad ng Makati at nakikisa po sila sa atin dito sa Manila Jockey Club sa Racing Festival ng Manila Horsepower Organization. At syempre from the Manila Jockey Club, kasama pa rin natin Racing Manager Mr. Ding Magbuo at ang dalawang Angels Cup, yung mga dalawang Angels ng Club 999, si Emily at saka si Faye. Kamay ka naman sa kanila. Alright. Ginigiraw na sila. Ang lamig talaga dito sa Carmona, Cavite. Tawagin na natin, representing the owner of So It's You, si Mr. Horse Owner Moises Villaseñor. Malamang si Trainer Dabe de la Cruz ang mag-receive ng trophy. Ayan na. Kuya Dabe, second time around. Ayan na, i-award na. Pasok lang po tayo kagad. Representing the owner, Mr. Moises Villaseñor, this is Trainer Dabe de la Cruz. Ayan. At ngayon, tatawagin naman natin ang winning jockey, Jockey Deo Fernandez, RG Fernandez. Alright, Jockey Deo. Makukuha mo na kagad pare yung cheque, courtesy of Manila Horsepower. At inaabot na ng ating mga nagagwapo ang kagawad at kapitan ng City of Makati. Deo, pwede na bukas si Kasyan, ha? Alright. May hinihintay sila. Konting bilis lang, Deo. Ayan. Round trip na. Sa mga kapitan, di sa mga Angels. Okay. Bro, kiss ka muna kay Emily. Ayan. Si Emily. Okay, mamaya na lang daw. At eto na naman. Isa na namang magandang bisikleta, courtesy mountain bike ko ito. Tawagin. Kuya Tabe, ano ba pangalan ng trainer natin, sir?
So, si Eric Tanyo ko na lang.
Alright, si Eric na lang ang kukuha ng mountain bike. Representing, maraming fans si Eric, ah. Alright, Eric. Ayan. Alright, kamayan mo muna, mga anchors natin. Ayan, oh. Masaya, nagkakasayaan talaga dito, Bayang Karirisa. Alright, everybody's happy sa pagkakapanalo ng Far Second Choice. So it's you. Congratulations to the owner, Mr. Moises Villaseñor, trainer David de la Cruz, rider Deo Fernandez at si Eric representing yung SOTA ng kabayong So It's You. We still have 4 more races on the card. Ladies and gentlemen, relax lang kayo dyan sa inyong mga OTB at mamaya, babalik naman tayo for the Tropang Spice Makati Cup and that will come shortly.